Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the addition of algebraic expression. Today, we are going to learn about the subtraction of algebraic expression. At page number 125, look at the example number 2. Subtract 2a plus 3b plus 5c from 3a plus 5b plus 7c. So, we will take this expression as the first expression and this as the second expression. Writing these two expressions in the vertically form so that each of the like term will be below to each other. Now how to subtract these two expressions? First we will change the sign of each of the term of the second expression. C term has the sign plus, so we will change it to negative. 3b has a sign plus, so we will change it to negative. Now 2a has a sign plus, we will change it to the negative sign. Now we will operate as plus minus minus. Subtract 7 from and 1 to get 6c. Sign of greater value plus will be allowed. Now plus minus minus. Subtract 5 and 3 to get 2b. Sign of greater value will be a sign. Plus minus minus. 3 minus 2 1. Sign of greater value plus will be a sign. Look at the second example. Writing vertically the two expression. Now we will change the sign of the second expression. 2c has plus sign, so we will change it to the minus. B has a negative sign, we will change it to the plus sign. Similarly, A has plus sign, we will change it to the negative sign. Now keep in mind that you have to keep in mind that the 2 has a sign minus and B has a sign plus and A has a sign minus. Now we will operate as minus C minus 2c minus minus plus. Adding 2 and 1 we will get 3c. What will be the sign of 3c? The sign of greater value. Which is the sign of the greater value is negative. Negative is the sign of greater value, so minus will be negative will be allowed to the 3c. Plus plus plus. Adding 1 and 1 2b. Sign of same value will be allowed. Plus minus minus. Subtracting 1 from 2 to get 1a and sign of greater value plus will be allowed. Similarly, you can do example number 3 by writing them vertically and changing the sign of the second of the terms of the second expression, and we can subtract these two expressions. Now come to the exercise 8a, 8b. Question number 3, subtract 5a from 8a. We have to subtract 5a from 8a, so we can take 8a as the first term and 5a as the second term and writing them in vertically. As we know that we have to change the sign of the second expression or the second term, so we will change the sign of 5a plus to minus. Now plus minus minus. Subtracting 5 from 8 we will get 3a. Similarly, in the second question, we have to subtract 7x from 4x. So take 4x as the first term and 7x as the second term and changing the sign of the second term. Plus minus minus. Subtracting 4 from 7 we will get 3x and sign of greater value will be allowed. Greater value is 7, which has a negative sign. So 3 must have negative sign, 3x minus 3x. In the third question, minus 2x from x plus 1. So we will take x plus 1 as the first expression and minus 2x as the second expression. We have to subtract these two expressions. So we will change the sign of minus 2x from minus to the positive. So now the sign of 2 will become plus because we are subtracting it from the first expression. 1 will remain as it is because it has no any other like term. 2x and x are like terms as we know that only like terms can be added, and like terms are the terms having the same variables. X and 2x have the same variables. The coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of x is 2. Now it has the sign plus and 2 has a sign plus. Plus plus plus, adding 2 and 1 we got 3x, and sign of greater value will be allowed, and 2 is a greater value, have the sign plus, so there would be plus. 3x plus 1 is the subtraction. Now 2x plus 1 from minus x, so we will take minus x as the first expression and 2x plus 1 as the second expression. To subtract, we will first change the sign, so I will change plus into minus, the plus sign of 1 to minus, and plus sign of 2x into minus. Now 1 has no other term, so we can write minus 1 as it is. Minus minus plus, adding 2 with 1 we get 3x, and sign of greater value will be allowed. In the next question, subtract 2a plus 3b from 7a plus 8b. Now writing them in vertically, we will take 7a plus 8b as the first expression and 2a plus 3b as the second expression. To subtract these two expression, we will first change the sign of the second expression, change the sign 3b plus 2 minus, and change the sign of 2a from plus to minus. Now 3b has a sign minus and 2a has a sign minus. Subtracting 3 from 8, because plus minus minus we have to take minus of 3 and 8 to get 5b, and sign of greater value will be allowed, and greater value has a sign plus. Plus minus minus, 7 minus 2, 5a, but 7 is a greater value having the sign plus, so 5a will be a plus sign. In the next, 3a minus 5b plus c from 4a plus 2b minus 3c, we will take it as the first expression and we will take this as the second expression. To subtract these two expressions, we will change the sign of each term of second expression. Change plus to minus, minus to plus, and 3a has a plus sign, so we will change it to minus. Now c has negative sign, minus minus plus, 3 plus 1. C has a coefficient 1. 3 plus 1, 4c. 3 is a greater value having the sign minus, so answer will have the sign of greater value. 2b plus plus plus, adding 2 and 1 we will get 3b, and sign of greater value will be allowed. Now 4 has the sign plus, plus minus minus, 4 minus 3, 1a. Here the coefficient of a is 1, and sign of greater value plus will be allowed. In the next, x minus 2y minus 3z from 2x plus y plus 3z. Take this as second expression, as the first expression, and this as a second expression. Writing them vertically. Now change the sign of each term of the second expression as change minus to plus, change minus to plus, and plus to minus. Now 3z has a plus sign, 2y has plus sign, x has minus sign. Plus plus plus, adding 3 and 3 we will get 6z, plus plus plus, adding 2 and 1 we will get 3y. What will be the sign of 6z? Both are the same terms, so same, having the same sign, so plus will be allowed. Now 2 is a greater value having the plus sign, so 3y has a plus sign. Plus minus minus, 2 minus 1, 1x, x has the coefficient 1, sign of greater value plus will be allowed.